Here's the Breeze Calera Ceiling Fan with the new blades I got for it. These were meant for the Calera as well, but these didn't have the right holes for whatever reason. So I tried drilling some holes to these blades to fit these right blade brackets, and let's just say it didn't go too well. So I only be able to use 2 screws per blade, unfortunately. So like, for example, like this has a gap between it. This side does not, and this has a gap between it on each side of the blade as well. So yeah, that's kind of gonna suck if it wobbles, but hopefully it does not wobble too much because 2 screws should be pretty secure, but I just still want to. I also want to keep it in balance at the same time. But I kind of have my doubts. So anyways, we start on low. Yeah, I remember even if its original blades, it was a pretty powerful fan. This thing has a pretty good low speed to it for a 52-inch fan, actually. It's not bad at all. It's obviously not going to wobble at all on low. At least we go to crank up to medium. Excuse my grandmother's dog if she whines in the background. She's staying with us during the massive winter storm that we're having this month, so yeah. See, this looks like a high speed for a normal 52-inch fan in my opinion. Kind of like my Tiempo up there. It's kind of proves to you how powerful this fan is. It actually doesn't actually wobble at all on medium either, so it was a pretty good amount of air. So at least it goes high, and I have to hold this fan to make sure it doesn't wobble. It's kind of shifting away because how fast it is. So hopefully it's not a bad thing. Anyways, hope you enjoy. Comment, like, subscribe. Share your thoughts down in the comments and stay tuned for more content to come.